Hey there, everyone. Let's tour some more new homes. I'm excited about this one for a couple of reasons. One, I'm going to get into some price points that a lot of people haven't seen on new construction in quite some time. I'm also going to expose you to a lot of standard features that a lot of you are like, why aren't they including this? Why do the homes get more expensive and they strip out all these things that I want, like granite countertops and stainless steel appliances? So let's go in and check out what I consider to be a hidden gem. And we are not in Colorado Springs. We are actually in a community or a city called Pueblo. So let's go in and check out this home. As you can see, the exterior of the home is finished with a batten board style on the front. That's just those small little vertical strips over some big sheets, and it creates this farmhouse exterior. You can see there's different exteriors around the neighborhood, a traditional siding, a woven cedar shake, and longer siding styles way up there further down the street. The garages are a little bit oversized. I'll get those dimensions and put them right there on the screen. So that's an added bonus. Now, a little bit about this home. We are currently in the Aspen floor plan, like the tree, and this is a two-story home starting at $339,900. The total square footage of this home is 2,353. The main level has a first floor square footage of 1,270, and the second floor is 732 total square feet. This is a 3-bed, 2-bath, built with a slab on grade finish. If you want to add a basement to this home, the basement costs about $30,000. That's for an unfinished configuration. If you want to add finish to the basement, meaning bedroom, bathroom, extra living area, it is builder dependent on their schedule as well as the materials you want to put in. So inquire for further details. Obviously, because this is a model, there is some decorating going on here, some marketing materials, so please ignore that. So in a nutshell, what we're seeing here is a main level concept that's been blown wide open. A lot of you are looking at this thinking there's this big seam down the middle. So it's what they call a common roof line. And it makes these rooms feel really big because you're able to remove those load-bearing walls. Granite countertops are included. Stainless steel appliances, minus the refrigerator, are included. If you want the matching refrigerator, it's about $1,500. Obviously, prices can change, so don't hold me to that number. Gas range is included, as is the stainless steel sink. Backsplash is an upgrade, about $1,500 depending on the floor plan. These cabinets are what we call a full overlay. So what I want you to do is take a look at this gap right here by my finger, and you'll see that the cabinet door itself goes over the frame of the cabinet. It's a very expensive style cabinet, especially with what they call these shaker panels, which just have a simple bead of wood all the way around the whole cabinet door. The builder offers 5 different paints or lacquers, and then about 5 or 6 stained door options. Different colors of granites are available, as well as 4 to 5 different laminate LVP flooring options. So when you start multiplying wall color, exterior and interior, by the number of cabinet choices, the granite colors, and the flooring colors, it's really hard to create the same home over and over again. You can really have a unique product here. Let's go into this giant pantry here and check this out. I'm always focused on pantries because it's one of those items that people spend very little time thinking about when they're buying a new home, but are so rewarded by a larger pantry after they move in. This is a Costco style pantry. You can get the entire run right in here. That's to upstairs. We'll get there in a second. Executive height counter, nice framed mirror, nice glass fixture. The exhaust fan just kicked on too, so you can tell that it's one of those low ambient noise ones. Sometimes some of those ones from the 70s kick on and it sounds like you're next to a small jet engine. Mechanicals on the main level, because again, this is a slab on grade finish. High efficiency appliances, because we see the forced air induction in there. This is a standard water heater, and it is electric. Walking down the hall to the master. There's the closet through there. Let's get a look. Same flooring flows through from the bedroom itself into the closet. Makes for easy cleanup. Looks like a fully customized closet insert that's been installed in here as well. Lots of space, lots of storage. This room is pretty decent sized. I'm going to say it's about 15 by 14, 16 by 14. Let's go into the master bathroom here. We have quartz countertops, executive height, vanity. Hot seat is through there. Its own separate little room. It's nice because you can close the door. Here's the shower. It's a 5-foot pan. Has an inset there for soaps and shampoos. Really quite nice. Tiled surround as well. As we leave the master bedroom, get a look at the laundry space. Little closet right through here underneath the stairs, convenient for storage. Now let's go check out the upstairs. Again, the upstairs is about 730 square feet. It's the first evidence of carpet we've seen, not only coming up the stairs, but in these bedrooms up here. Nice tall 5-inch baseboard. Some recessed 4-inch lighting. I'm going to assume that these shelves are part of the model look or feel, not necessarily something that you would get. Though these are pretty simple to install. Little fun tip right here. These little screws just attach to a bracket that gets mounted to the wall with anchors. These floating shelves are all the rage right now. Again, in Colorado, we don't use attic space to store stuff, so that stays sealed up to keep the home conditioned. We're going to step into this supporting bathroom. I say supporting because there's 2 bedrooms right behind me, so that's what it's supporting, is the occupants of those bedrooms. Pull back this tiled surround from the base of the tub all the way to the ceiling. I like that. Nice oil rub bronze fixtures in here. Before we go into those bedrooms, let's take a look at this little extra space up here. Not a bedroom because it doesn't have a closet, but certainly a good spot for a small guest bed. It's great for an office. It's about 7 feet by 10 feet. Maybe it's a kid's play area. Maybe it gets racks along these walls over here for extra clothing. Pueblo is not that far away from Fort Carson, so if you are working on Fort Carson and you want to live in Pueblo, there's a lot of reason to live in Pueblo because of affordability, then maybe that room makes sense to store all your Army gear. Carpeting in here definitely just completes the feel of a bedroom. It also got noticeably quieter, a lot less echo. Ceiling fan is included in here. Again, the custom cabinetry in the closet. This room is pretty decent sized at about 10 by 11 11 by 11. Pretty good at that. Estimating, usually only off by 6 inches to a foot. Pretty good look here at this bedroom. And now let's go check out the next bedroom. I think these two twin-size beds illustrate nicely just how big this room is. Again, custom cabinetry inside the closet. It's white, so there's a lot of clean lines that are present. But I will say this, everything I'm seeing tells me that at this price point, this is some pretty quality construction. Seems like they've addressed a lot of the little details that make quality of construction stand out. Let's get a look at these windows they're putting in here. There's a table here I keep knocking into. All right. So what did you think? We just got done walking through the Aspen floor plan. I really liked all the components that went into this home. I really liked the walk up to the home. I liked the price. I really was impressed with the overall concept of this house. Let's make it simple, let's make it affordable, but let's throw a ton of standard features into this home that make it feel like the consumer was given what they've been asking for the last couple of years. Home prices rose, value fell. There's value being put back into this home. There's a lot of big ticket buzzwords that went into this home that brought some value back to it. Granite countertops, shaker style cabinets, recessed lighting, stainless steel appliances, standard flooring throughout. I think there's some things that are being put into this home that make you want to consider this home as one of those homes that you want to live in for a long period of time. It really delivers on some things. I've seen a lot of people buy new construction and move out a couple of years later because they just weren't happy with the finishes. And I think that this home really negates that idea. There's a lot in this home that's likable, in fact, lovable. If you're interested in learning more about this cute little community down in Pueblo that touches on those high 200s, low 300 price point for new construction, I want you to reach out to me. I want you to leave a comment. I want you to let me know what your thoughts are of this home. I'll put a few more videos together of their other floor plans in the coming months as they get more spun up. This builder is focused only on sold to consumer as opposed to building spec homes. There's more coming as far as what this neighborhood is going to deliver. They're talking about a pool, they're talking about a rec center, they're talking about a future clubhouse. There's townhomes that are going to be built here, a city park within the subdivision, possibly a pool and a dog park. The other thing I should mention, and take a look at the map there, is this is not a through neighborhood. You can only get into this neighborhood one way. So anybody who is in here are people that are going to be living in this neighborhood. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. I do appreciate the time that you guys invest in watching the material that I am putting out, and hopefully you find value in that. I'll see you on the next one.